Introducing ST3 series earth clamps. Model ST3B10R. CE certified. EN 60974-13. 100% made in India. ISI Marked. Jaw opening of up to 100 mm. Holds plate depth up to 60 mm. 360-degree free revolving. Up to 1600 amps capacity. Dual cable capacity up to 120 mm square each. Some of the salient features include heavy-duty body for greater conductivity, designed especially for the MIG welding process. C-type jaws are adjusted by screw lever. Powerful swivel pad allows for low-resistance ground connections. High-grade copper alloy. Large contact surface area. Heavy-duty T-spindle. High clamping pressure force connection ensure optimal current transfer. Rugged, sturdy, and durable design. Low maintenance and easy to use. Optimal current transfer. Suitable for dual lug connection. Oxidation resistant. Screw-on type clamping. Safe and quick connection.